Hello, everybody. It's Adam coming to you. Another puppet story for the day. I got something here with my friend Petri, and Petri wants to become a star. So that is the theme of the show today.
All right. We were talking about this backstage, and I want to become a star.
What do you mean, a star? What is a star?
Not like in the sky or anything, but I want to become a singing star.
Oh, a singing star. Okay. Well, what would you like me to do in this? Do you need encouragement? Do you want advice? Or do you just want somebody to listen to you?
Right now I just want somebody to listen to me and then maybe give advice if I ask for it.
Okay, so don't give advice unless you really want it.
All right, I'm ready. Here I go. I love rock and roll. Come
Oh, okay.
What do you think of that?
I was a little confused by the der berta berta that was in there. I don't think that's part of the words.
You can't just make up your own?
Well, I think you can.
What? I'm gonna make up a whole lot of songs on my own.
Okay, you can do that. I'm just gonna keep listening. All right.
Here I go. Here's my second one. I was like, baby, oh, baby, oh, baby, oh, I thought you'd always be mine, yeah.
Excellent. That's a little better. It sounds like you knew the words to that one. That was pretty good.
Hold on, you thought I knew the words of that one? Wait till I show him this one. I knew you were trouble when you walked in. What? I see the way you're shaking your feathers at me like you just have problems. Yeah, trouble.
Oh, okay. You're really working on becoming a star here. All right. Any more? Or is that kind of the trifecta of power right there?
Nope, I got one more. Sugar pie, honey bunch. You know that I love you. Ooh, I can't help myself.
I don't think he can help himself.
He loves you and nobody else. Do. Anytime I'm burning in my heart. I'm tearing you apart. Yeah, what do you think?
Well, first of all, I love that you're a singer. And I love that you're here and you want to share those songs to me. And so I'm just going to sit here and listen.
No, I want your advice.
Oh, you want my advice? Okay. I think you have to learn some words and you have to work on your stage presence. Maybe that would be good.
Stage? Look at me. I live on the stage. Look at these feathers. I am a star.
Well, you certainly have that right. So,
thank you. All right, I just want to give a little shout out to my fans out there.
I don't see any fans.
Oh, I'm sure there's one. I just gotta look a little closer. Fans! Oh, fans, are you there?
I don't know if there's any fans. You might be just singing. Actually, this is really just a mirror. You're just looking in a mirror.
You mean I just gave that show the whole time for nothing? Oh.
I think our friend is a little sad about that. I'm gonna go take care of him. I did like how brave he was to do that singing. I'll see you guys later.